Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good. So today we are going to start the next topic, but before going to start the next topic, firstly we will revise our previous topic that we have studied in our previous class. Okay. So now tell me, in our previous class we have studied about which topic, that is the functions of the heart. Okay. So in that we have seen that the heart, how its function. Firstly we have studied the structure of the heart. हमने देखा था कि हार्ट के क्या होते हैं, 4 चेम्बर्स होते हैं. ओके. एंड that 4 chambers, because of that chambers it does not mixing of the pure and the impure blood. Okay, so that we have seen in our yesterday's class only. Afterwards we have studied that what is the heart and where it is located, and it's located in the chest cavity, and our heart size is approximately equal to our fist sized. Okay, so that we have seen. Then also along with this topic we have studied about the functions of the arteries and the veins, means the different functions of the blood vessels. Arteries and veins के हमने functions भी देखे थे. Okay, so now today we are going to start the next topic, that is the heartbeat. Heartbeat means what? Our wall of the chamber of the heart is made up of different muscles. Okay, so जो muscles होते हैं, that muscles gets contracts and they relax, and because of that muscle contraction and relaxation it's caused the heartbeat. Okay, so heartbeat जो होती है it continuously going on, means of every moment of our life. जैसे मैंने बताया था कि हमारी पूरी लाइफ में हार्टबीट क्या होती है, कंटिन्यूसली वर्क करती है. इट डज नॉट स्टॉप इवन फॉर अ सेकेंड ऑल्सो. ओके, so it's going stop it continuously work, okay, throughout our whole lifespan. So these heartbeat we can feel by the one instrument that known as the stethoscope. ओके, आपने देखा होगा कि डॉक्टर्स क्या करते हैं, दे यूज दिस फील्स दिस हार्ट बीट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट स्टेटोस्कोप. ओके, सो स्टेटोस्कोप इज विच काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, क्या होता है उसमें? इट्स हैविंग द चेस्ट पीस along with the tubes that is known as the what, which connect to the two earpiece as shown in the figure 11.5. This 11.5 is figure of instrument of the to hear heartbeat, means stethoscope. Okay, you can make your own stethoscope also by doing the activity 11.2. So what is given in activity 11.2? For this activity what you need firstly small funnel of having 6 to centimeter diameter. ठीक है, ऐसा फनल चाहिए जिसका डायमीटर 6 to सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए. एंड फॉर यू नीड वन रबर ट्यूब, means approximately 50 centimeter long. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to stretch that rubber sheet or balloon on the mouth of that funnel. Okay, आपको उसको फनल के माउथ पे उसको स्ट्रेच करना है. आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू हैव टू फिक्स इट टाइटली विद द रबर बैंड. उसको फिक्स मतलब रबर बैंड से टाइट करना है. नाउ जो अपर दूसरा ओपन एंड होगा, पुट दैट ओपन एंड ऑन ऑफ द ट्यूब ऑन योर ear. Okay, so you know when you will put that on the other end on your ear, you will feel the वॉइस ऑफ दैट. अगर आप जैसे ही उसको हार्ट के ऊपर रखोगे तो आप क्या करोगे, यू कैन फील द वॉइस ऑफ हार्ट बीट्स. ओके, जस्ट शो सी द डायग्राम ऑफ दैट 11.5 एक्टिविटी की डायग्राम में देखिए. यू कैन डू दिस एक्टिविटी बाय योर ओन, एंड व्हेन यू विल कीप दिस अदर एंड ऑफ दैट स्टेथोस्कोप, सो यू विल फील द साउंड ऑफ द हार्ट बीट. ओके, means when you will keep that funnel on your chest and when you will hear that thumping sound, so that thumping sound is nothing but your heartbeats only. Okay, so record your observation and you can feel you can write this observation in the table 11.2. Okay, so what is given in that? Here given the while resting, what is your heartbeat rate and pulse rate, that you have to write. And the second column, after running, मीन्स अगर हम रन करते आफ्टर रनिंग ऑफ 4-5 minutes, what will be our heartbeat and what will be our pulse rate. So that reading we have to write. All of you know that when we are resting position, so that time our heartbeat and pulse rate will be normal. But जब हम रनिंग के बाद जब हम हमारा हार्टबीट और पल्स रेट काउंट करेंगे, so it will be higher. Why? Because at the starting of the chapter we have studied that कि हमने देखा था कि हमारा when we are doing any heavy exercise, so that time our body needs more oxygen and our heartbeat gets increased. Okay, so that observation you will find that the difference in between the two columns. Okay. Each heartbeat generates one pulse in the arteries. And what is the rate of heartbeat? The rate of heartbeat is nothing but the pulse rate per minute is indicates our rate of the heartbeat. Okay. Now, all of you know that the rhythmic beating of the various chambers of heart is maintain circulation of the blood. Okay, and it also transports of the substance to the different body parts. Okay, but you know what, the animals, such animals like sponges and hydra, which do not possess the circulatory system, उनमें circulatory system नहीं होती है. Okay, means the water in which they live, it brings food and oxygen as it enters in their body. Okay. So, and water carries away the waste materials and the carbon dioxide as it moves out. आपको पता है कि हमारे बॉडी में जो वाटर रिमूव होता है, so along with the water the waste is also removed and the carbon dioxide is also removed out. Okay, now you know what, removing of the waste from our body is nothing but the which process? कौन सी प्रोसेस होती है जिसमें हमारे बॉडी में से वेस्ट बाहर आते हैं? दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज द एक्सक्रीशन प्रोसेस. ओके, सो नाउ हियर आफ्टर वी विल लर्न द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस, दैट इज द एक्सक्रीशन प्रोसेस. हाउ द एक्सक्रीशन प्रोसेस इज कैरिड आउट इन द animals, okay, and even in the humans also. So firstly we will see about the excretion process in animals. You know what, when we breathe, so when we breathe, so we take the oxygen in our body and we remove the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is nothing but what? It is the waste of our body. Okay, so these when we remove breathe out, that means our body removes carbon dioxide. So the process of removal of waste which produced in the cells of living organism is known as excretion system. Okay, जिस process में हमारे wastes remove होते हैं, so that is known as excretion, and the parts that involves in this excretion system is known as excretory system. So hereafter we will study about the excretory systems in humans. Okay, how this excretion process is carried out in the human beings. So that we will learn in our next class. Understood?